The thing is that when the war started, I was in the occupied area actually. I was above Kiev in the village that's called Glebovka. It's in between Kiev and Belarus. So when war started, like in an hour, tanks from Russia came from this Belarus border and they passed us by. So we stuck there because we were behind battlefield. And for 3 weeks we were there and seeing all this like flying helicopters and airplanes and like blow-ups, and the nearest blow-up, it was actually on the neighbor's house. Yeah, and it was like your house is shaking all the time, and being there even in a safe place is actual horror. Like it's the scariest thing that you can even imagine. Like even if you're in your apartment, there is no even a second when you feel yourself quite safe. And I was thinking that I already was started to do something, but it came that I couldn't do anything, you know. And I think the half a year I was like struggling a lot because I was trying to do this and nothing has happened. And the same thing with my friends artists, they couldn't do much, but then after like some period of time they started to do and produce interesting things like sculptures or paintings or digital things, and so it's slowly going. A duty to do this since I'm Ukrainian, and otherwise I think that I would feel huge guilt that I'm not doing this. Because I went like very late. I supposed to be here even before in October, but all this bureaucracy went like later. We are focusing on the closing of the exhibition, not on the opening. And during this like period to the closing, it will be a little bit changing. And yeah, and the closing on 29th, we would finally like show everything. And yeah, I think even this is a good thing because we are focusing on the kind of end of the war and the peace, not on the beginning that has happened. So yeah, so we're like, we would celebrate this.